Take a ride in the 2020 RDX. Viewed as Acura's answer to BMW's sporty X3, the RDX offers stylish interior, plenty of sport, and a nice amount of utility. This vehicle has less than 6,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.